Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by cleansing and keeping your skin slightly damp so actives penetrate. Once done, apply a basic niacinamide serum, 2 to 5 drops for face and neck, spreading gently. This reduces oiliness and primes barrier function. Make sure to wait about 30 to 60 seconds so it absorbs rather than pools. You're not layering forever. This is the first actionable step to reduce irritation and to allow the next vitamin C serum to work on a more even surface. After niacinamide has set, you move to vitamin C. If your C is L-ascorbic acid, keep concentration between 5 and 15%. Derivatives can be slightly higher. Once done, dispense 3 to 4 drops and press rather than rub to avoid disturbing the layer underneath. Make sure to separate with brief absorption time so pH differences don't neutralize too much. This sequence maximizes antioxidant protection while keeping niacinamide's barrier benefit. You complete the routine by sealing in serums with a moisturizer. In the morning, always follow with broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher to protect vitamin C's benefits. If you feel burning or redness, stop and reduce frequency to every other day or try lower concentrations of either serum. Make sure to patch test new combinations. If problems persist, alternate vitamin C in the AM and niacinamide at night to avoid cumulative irritation and still get both benefits.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.